What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to go ahead and review the magnaflow 18135 glass pack muffler for the Jeep Wrangler TJ. This is a universal muffler. Make sure you stick to the end of the video to find out how you can win a pair of 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button to show us your support. The actual exhaust itself is pretty inexpensive on Amazon. It's under $25. This is what it looks like. You take it to a shop, they cut off your old muffler and they weld this unit on, which doesn't cost more than $50. So for all in around $70, you have an amazing sounding Jeep Wrangler. After doing lots and lots of research, I found out that this glass pack muffler, the magnaflow 18135 unit, is the absolute best for my personal needs. It's quiet when I want it to be quiet, such as when I'm driving down the freeway, and it's loud when I want it to be loud, such as when I'm accelerating at a light. It has a really nice idle sound, and it's not terribly loud like a straight pipe would be, but it has plenty of sound and tone and character and all that good stuff.
Alrighty, babe, start it up. This is what it sounds like as soon as you start the car. A little bit of gas. Now we're going to give you a little sound from the outside. Sounds super smooth, very loud, very mean. You can still hear it, but you can't even see him.
This is what it sounds like from the inside. Mind you, I have my side window off and the top off. It's a beautiful evening. This is what it's gonna sound like. One hand shifting. Overall, we're really happy with the way it sounds. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random, and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.